Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will make a simple math animation. Let's draw a simple square with side length of 2 cm. Now let's write formula for perimeter of a square. As we know, formula for perimeter of a square is 4 times of its side length. Here our side length is 2 cm, so perimeter is equal to 4 times of 2 cm. So our perimeter for this square is 8 cm. Let's discuss about area of a square. Write formula for area of a square. The formula for the area of a square is given by area equals side length times side length. Now, put our value in side length. Now, after multiplication our result is 4 cm square. Let's draw a simple circle with radius of 2 cm. Now let's write formula for circumference of a circle. The formula for the circumference of a circle is given by circumference equals 2 times pi times radius. Here our radius is 2 cm, so circumference is equal to 2 pi times 2 cm. So our circumference for this circle is 4 pi centimeters. Let's discuss about area of a circle. Write formula for area of a circle. The formula for the area of a circle is given by area equals pi times radius squared. Now, put our value in radius. Now, after multiplication, our result is 4 pi square centimeters. Let's see code for our animation. First we see for how I will make parameter of a square. Then we see for how I will make area of a square animation. Here we see for how I will make circumference animation of a circle. Now we see for how I will make area animation of a circle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Happy animating!